Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn 10 easy lines on my favorite food momos. So let's start. Point number 1 is my favorite food is momos. It is a type of steamed filled food originally from Tibet and Nepal. The another name for momo is dim sum. They are very tasty and spicy. It is usually served with spicy red chutney and mayonnaise. Momo either steamed or fried. Every shape of a momo has different name. There are various types of momos, are veg momos, paneer momos, chicken momos, etc. Paneer is one of the popular filling used in India. My mother makes very tasty momos at home. I love momos very much. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.